Hey everybody, Josh over here at CFT. Today, I want to talk about our intake tube replacements. We do an aluminum fabricated intake tube. This goes from your turbo to your factory air box. This tube replaces the big, bulky, plastic resonator tube. So not only are we going to get a lot more better flow from this, but the aluminum is a thick wall, so it helps with the heat dissipation. You get a little bit more turbo noise from it too. A lot of people like. We have hub dynoed this in the past when we first came out with these, gaining about a 15 to an 18 average horsepower, which also gained everybody about 2 to 3 extra MPG, which if you have a 3.0 Duramax, that's what you're mainly looking for. Not so much power, but as much beneficial as MPG as you can get. We also have an AFE dry drop-in air filter that is completely, you can clean it. That also has shown and proven to give an extra couple horsepower and MPG along with it. The install is pretty straightforward. You'll just literally got 2 points that you got to take apart. You'll need a 7mm, an 8mm, and a 10mm to do so. It is going to take you a little bit of time because this is clipped in the back side of the motor and there's not a lot of room to work, and you'll have plenty of stretches if you got bigger forearms. So best way to put it is put the first boot in place. We don't usually put clamps on anything. We kind of fish the clamps on afterwards, but you can put the first boot in place. Next, the tube goes right on in. Start putting clamps in place, start tightening them down and get it all situated. Got a quick little montage video of an install of it, so it should help you out with it. So enjoy.
Seven hours later.
Hey, thanks for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it and learned a little something, please slap that subscribe button. Thank you.